I'm Bridget Randall, president of the ATD San Diego chapter, here with the June 2022 vlog. I'm excited that we're leaning into the end of spring and about to embark upon summer. With that, I want to share a couple fun facts about things that happened in May with our chapter, as well as look forward to some of the events that will be happening in the coming weeks. But before I do that, I want to give a call out to the Talent Development Magazine May edition. There was an article there that talked about KPIs. It called to question, how are you leveraging KPIs in the work that you do? I'm going to put out a challenge for someone to start a thread on LinkedIn and tag our chapter so we can get a conversation going, because I'd love to hear how you're leveraging KPIs to help you make better decisions. Now let's talk about things that happened last month. As you're aware, we've been hosting a Storyline Articulate workshop every month, and last month there was no different. In that session, there were 11 attendees, and there was a great demonstration given on how to develop a piece of content that could be used to start an e-learning, or one that could be used in a transition section for e-learning. So if you're interested in talking about things like that, be sure to check out our upcoming Storyline Articulate workshops. Along with that, we had our chapter meeting where we talked about the predictive index. There's a great exchange of ideas about how to leverage that tool when considering candidates and welcoming them into your organization. So watch for our upcoming chapter events. You won't want to miss them. Our chapter meeting this month is going to be an outstanding panel of very involved ATD San Diego chapter members who have started their own businesses. The title is, So You Want to Start Your Own Business? You definitely want to check that out. Register online. With that, I also want to talk a little bit about a hard subject, which is the changes in our country right now. In particular, inflation. I know inflation's been hitting us all when we fill up our gas tanks at the pump, as well as when we eat out. With that, I want to say that as part of our events, we've had an extraordinary amount of success with our professional mixers. Almost a year ago, in July of 2021, we hosted our first in-person event, which was a professional mixer, and we had over 100% attendance. Now, that was our first event after the lockdown of March of 2022. But with that, month over month, we have really strong attendance, and it's one of our most popular events that we have going over the past year. This coming month in June, we'll host 3 mixers, one in South Bay, the one in North County, as well as the central location in the Hazard Center area. And we would love for you to join us. But the one thing that we're going to change to make sure that we stay fiscally sound as a non-for-profit business is we are going to need to increase our prices. You'll notice that when you register for the mixer, as well as upcoming events after this month. In advance, we want to say thank you for your understanding, but really, we're doing everything that we can to make sure that we stay in the black with our budget. If you have creative ideas for ways for us to find sources of income, please share them with us. Another great event on the calendar I want to give a call out to is our SoCal Young Professionals Special Interest Group. It focuses on talent development professionals that are 35 years old and younger, and they're going to have a panel discussion on Thursday night. So be sure and check it out and register on our website. I want to pose another question before I wrap this up. Have you ever considered being a part of a board of directors? Well, if you have, the opportunity will be coming up soon. We will soon be posting our information about our elections for our board of directors, and if that's something you're interested in doing, I strongly encourage you to start volunteering with us. It's really the best way to find out what's going on. You'll get a bit of insight, you'll learn about what needs to be happening, and find out where you could contribute or where you could learn a new skill to help us keep going strong as an organization. You can always reach out to me personally on LinkedIn or any of our board directors. We would love to have a conversation with you. That's enough for now. So again, I just want to thank you for your membership. You are the heartbeat of what we do. If you're considering becoming a member, be sure to check out our Discover the Benefits of Membership session. That will be happening on Thursday afternoon. All right, as you know, all the other good information is on our website as well. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn, and we'll see you soon. Take care.